Hi, I'm now in Asoke Road and I'm going to Phetchaburi Road to MRT Phetchaburi, and from this station we will walk only 100 meters to an area where the 3 or even 4 high-rise condominiums located right near MRT Phetchaburi and connected by a bridge over the canal with Srinakharinwirot University. This is Asoke Road, this is University and Supalai Premier Place at Asoke, and the condo we are going to visit today is this one. This is Ideo Mobi Asoke.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
This is bridge over channel. It's just next to MRT Phetchaburi, and this area become very popular for residential projects today. There are 8 high-rise condominiums that were just built recently, and if you continue just half kilometer this way, it will be Rama 9. It's a new central business district of Bangkok. So this area, this is a connection between current central business district and the new one. We have here MRT station, we have Makasan Airport Link station, and it takes only 20 minutes to get to Suvarnabhumi Airport. And 1 kilometer this side, it's Sukhamvit Road. So I consider this area as the most central area of Bangkok. And just to give you another proof, I personally live here all my life in Bangkok, in this specific area. Let's see how long it will take us to walk from MRT Phetchaburi to Ideo Mobi Asoke.
It sound right, boys.
Ideo Mobi Asoke was built just 2 or 3 years ago, actually 2 years ago, by Ananda Development Public Company. So it's a relatively new project. As you can see, only 100 meters from MRT Phetchaburi and 200 meters from Makasan airport station. It features relatively small units. Maximum is a 2-bedroom, 62 square meter, and many 1-bedroom units starting from 30 square meter. Still, the prices are quite expensive. Average prices for sale are about 80-85% higher than average in Bangkok, and rental prices are 60 to 65% higher than average in Bangkok. The main advantage of this condominium is location, 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 next to MRT, next to airport link, and connected by bridge to Srinakharinwirot University, one of the most prestigious universities in Bangkok. The main reason Ideo Mobi Asoke or any other condominiums located in this specific area are so popular is because these condominiums are connected directly to Srinakharinwirot University over this bridge, over the channel. I'm located now on the bridge connecting Ideo Mobi Asoke with Srinakharinwirot University. So while Thai people or foreigners bring their children to study in Srinakharinwirot University, they like to stay nearby, and that's why this area is very popular for residential. Many people have their main living area or secondary living area here, so that children can easily go to study in university.